In this video, we are going to learn how you can use the Pro version of CapCut for free. This trick works for all versions of CapCut. Let's start. Download any version of CapCut. I have already installed latest version of CapCut. After successful installation, open CapCut. Open CapCut and go to Setting. Simply
set all paths to a location where you can easily find it.
Sign in to CapCut. Click on Create Project option and enter video as you want. You can use Pro version of CapCut here. After finishing editing, select all clips and effects by controller or select them by using mouse.
Right-click in selected clip and click on Create Compound Clip.
Remember the number. Remember the number. Again, right-click on Compound Clip and click on Preprocess Compound Clip. Your video with Pro feature of CapCut in 4000 quality.